Make a great choice today with the 2019 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, remote engine start, rear step bumper, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, wireless charging station, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer.